Hello dear students, I hope you all are well. So today we are going to start with the very first chapter of your supplementary reader, Footprints Without Feet, and the name of the chapter is A Triumph of Surgery, written by James Herriot. Let's talk about the author. James Alfred White, known by the pen name of James Herriot, was born on 3rd October 1916 and died on 23rd February 1995. He was a British veterinary surgeon and a writer as well. He is best known for writing a series of 8 books set in the 1930s to 50s, that is Yorkshire Tales about animals and their owners, which began with If Only They Could Talk, that was first published in 1970. Let's see the theme and message of the chapter. Overindulgence or over-pampering can be life-threatening, can be dangerous for the poor animals, for the pets who trust their masters completely. Overindulgence means having too much of something that is enjoyable to you, having too much of something you like very much. So that can be really dangerous for the poor animals. Excess of everything is bad, even of love. So everything, anything that is done excessively is harmful, can be harmful, can be hazardous, even if that is love. So let's see the title. Title A Triumph of Surgery is ironical and well suitable. It revolves around Tricky's illness and his treatment by a veterinary doctor, Dr. Herriot. In spite of the repeated warnings by the vet, Tricky's mistress, that is Mrs. Pumphrey, failed to give a healthy grooming to Tricky, as a result of which he becomes sick and is hospitalized. So when Tricky recovers, when the pet recovers due to the doctor's accurate diagnosis and well-planned treatment, Mrs. Pumphrey thinks that it is a triumph of surgery. Triumph means victory. So she thinks that it is the success of the surgery being performed on the dog. But actually, ironically, the dog has used no medicine or surgery to cure the dog. He cured the dog by giving him a healthy diet and some good exercise. So that is why the title is ironical and appropriate. A triumph of surgery, it is actually a triumph over Tricky's ailment, Tricky's illness. It is a triumph of the doctor who did not perform any surgery and yet he cured the dog in a few days. Let's see the characters of the story. First of all, the main character is Dr. James Herriot. He is an efficient veterinary surgeon. He is devoted towards his work. He is considerate, intelligent and tactful. Tactful means someone who can wisely handle the situation. He is a wise person. He is a good judge of others' character. Then the next main character is Mrs. Pumphrey, who is the mistress of Tricky. The lady is foolish in some ways. She acts foolishly in some of her ways. She is excessively rich and wealthy. She is over concerned and emotional for her pet. And she is a big show off and flaunts her wealth. The next character is Tricky, the pet dog. The dog is obese, of course, due to the excessive eating, due to the overeating habits. He is a food lover. He's a sociable pet. When he is at the surgery, for his treatment, he quickly makes friends with other dogs. He is adaptable, quickly adjusts to the situations, and finally he is over pampered by his owner. A Triumph of Surgery is the story of Tricky, an over pampered and overfed dog, a dog who indulges in overeating. So his mistress, Mrs. Pumphrey, loves him a lot and feeds him all the unhealthy food he likes to eat, like creamy cakes, chocolates, etc. So as a result, what happens is he becomes fat, excessively fat. He looks like a bloated sausage. And he becomes lethargic. Lethargic means inactive. And cannot even walk properly due to his overweight and becomes sick. So finally, due to his sickness, the dog is taken to a veterinary doctor who treats the dog without using a single medicine. So though presented in a light and humorous way, the chapter is presented in a light and humorous way, but the story also brings out the message how some people, ignorant of the healthy way to groom their pets, spoil the health of their pets. Let's see the chapter in detail. Dr. Harriet worried about Tricky. Now Dr. Harriet is shocked to see the excessively fat dog Tricky with red eyes and lolling tongue. Lolling tongue means hanging down tongue. Walking with Mrs. Pumphrey in the street. The dog was with Mrs. Pumphrey in the street, and there the doctor saw the dog and he was utterly shocked to see his obesity. Then Mrs. Pumphrey foolishly claims that Tricky's condition is due to lack of nutrition. Mrs. Pumphrey foolishly answers the doctor that Tricky is fat because of low nutrition, because of malnutrition. She overfeeds him with malt, cod liver oil, a bowl of Horlicks at night, cream cakes, chocolates, etc., in spite of the vet's advice to reduce the dog's diet. Dr. Harriet advised her to control the dog's diet, but she did not listen to it. She kept on giving a lot of diet to Tricky. So Dr. Harriet concludes that he reaches to a conclusion that the real reason behind a dog's illness is dog's love for food and excessive pampering by Mrs. Pumphrey. So Dr. Harriet's warning to Mrs. Pumphrey. Dr. Harriet warns Mrs. Pumphrey that if Tricky's diet is not controlled and if he is not given proper exercise, he will be seriously ill. So the similar thing happens, his prediction becomes true and Tricky becomes seriously ill. Doctor's plan for Tricky's treatment. Now when Tricky becomes ill, so Mrs. Pumphrey seeks medical advice from Dr. Harriet, and Dr. Harriet plans a treatment for Tricky. He gets him away from the owner. He convinces Mrs. Pumphrey that dog has to be hospitalized for at least a fortnight. Fortnight is a period of 2 weeks. Then there at the surgery is the place where the doctors treat their patients. So at the surgery, he makes a comfortable bed for Tricky and places him in a loose box next to other dogs. He gives him no food for 2 days except plenty of water. So no food is given to Tricky for the first 2 days, only the water is given. So on the 3rd day, Tricky starts making a weak sound in response to other dogs. At the feeding time, after the other dogs finish their bowls, he casually licks into a couple of them. So he starts responding at the 3rd day. The next day, the doctor feels happy. Why? Because he saw the dog running towards the bowls for the food. Dog's recovery paces up, dog's recovery speeds up, he starts playing with other dogs, he fights for food, he hunts for rats. So the doctor was quite happy to see that. The doctor was quite satisfied to see the change in Tricky. Mrs. Pumphrey's worry about Tricky. Now Mrs. Pumphrey is quite worried about Tricky. She keeps on making phone calls at the surgery many times a day to ask about Tricky's comfort, whether he is comfortable or not. Dr. Harriet avoids her questions and assures her about Tricky's gradual recovery. But still, Mrs. Pumphrey becomes worried, she becomes anxious, and she starts sending a good number of eggs and a good supply of wine to enrich her little dog's blood. But all that feast is enjoyed by the vet. All those eggs and wine are enjoyed by the vet and his attendants because such a rich diet is not good for Tricky's health. Now Tricky goes back after being cured. So after enjoying the delicacies for a fortnight, after eating all the eggs and consuming all the wine, Nearly for a fortnight, Dr. Harriot informs Mrs. Pumphrey about the dog's complete recovery, and he also informs her that he should be taken back home. So Mrs. Pumphrey arrives in her big car, and she sees the active, strong and smart Tricky, and Tricky welcomes her, surprises her by rushing towards her. He licks her face and barks out of happiness when he sees his master. So Mrs. Pumphrey finally thanks the doctor, thinking happily that surgery saved her dog's life. Actually, no surgery was performed, as I told you earlier. No surgery was performed. The doctor cured the dog only through a healthy diet and an exercise routine. So here is some glossary for you. Here are some word meanings of the difficult words, for you, which are related to the chapter. So dear students, read the chapter thoroughly and write down the meanings of all the difficult words on your books with your pencils. Thank you and have a nice day.